Ki Bor Sinchar District Nadu ki Pulet Ban Magister Mentakasngi Kilahiar Shakathan Jorabat Ban Kem Yak Jinkluj Jongkinonya Kalina Assam Ki Bakhanglad ki Kali Kamai Bat ki Kali Shimet na Meglaya Bandrung Sha Assam Khamtam Bantem Yak Jinkluj Jongki Patba Nakaliang Magister ka Ribhoi Ulayo ru banyakren bat kinoyalam kati kinhun bat ulakular ru ban shimkhya yakani kakam bat ban pinbet mardor namar kani ka jinyekhi bat ka jingkhangla ikipat ba ban lek sha Assam kankta ikipat ba kakinhun kinonya kali kamai na Assam kilapin pa bakani kamdei satya maki basdang hinre ritang kawe kakinhun na Meghalaya kata ka AKMTTA katba kiwe kimdan jingthot aa Hakaba kila dawa kemru ya ki bapinthut bat bade benweng mardor ya kejingi ki ban khangla ki kali Assam banrung shiki jaka jungok kai perthei Meghalaya
On behalf of everybody, one thing we want to make it clear to Meghalaya government, we have not started this agitation. Rather, we were provoked by only one association. I am not blaming all the transporters of Meghalaya. All taxi association, they are with us. All transport association of Meghalaya are with us. Only one association.
Even in hotel association also with us.
All Meghalaya, all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, they are the main culprit. They raised this issue they threatened us in 3rd of September that we won't allow any vehicle from Assam, not to mention Assam, but outside Meghalaya. Any vehicle outside Meghalaya will not be permitted to visit the tourist spot. That started the main problem. Now you have to convince them and ask them to withdraw. We haven't done anything. If they withdraw that thing, you arrest those people because other transporters are 100% with us. They have appreciated our move also. They have supported us. Because Meghalaya and other associations are ashamed. They have expressed us that we are ashamed that one association has raised such parochial demands. So we want that all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, your government should take action on them. Once you take action and you give us an assurance that this demand will not be raised in future, we will never go for such protest. We'll never. And rather, you'll be happy to know we are allowing all Meghalaya vehicles. There's a reciprocal agreement between Assam and Meghalaya Transport Department. And Assam government and we people are allowing each and every Meghalaya vehicle to move freely in Assam. But why you are restricting us?
फोन करके बोलो कि वो प्रोटेस्ट कॉल ऑफ कर दे। अगर मैं फोन भी करता हूँ तो मैं आपको अश्योरेंस नहीं दे सकता कि वो कॉल ऑफ कर प्रोटेस्ट कॉल भी, क्योंकि हम लोग गवर्नमेंट से हैं और वो गवर्नमेंट से नहीं है, तो गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ ही कर रहे हैं ना। लेकिन अगर वो लोग कुछ ऐसे वैसे कुछ करेगा, देन द लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स। लीगल एक्शन लिया जाएगा प्रेसिडेंट अगेंस्ट द सेक्रेटरी अगेंस्ट जितना भी मेंबर है AKMTTA का। अगर वो लोग कुछ भी करेगा, तंग करेगा, आपको हैरेस करेगा, ड्राइवर्स को हैरेस करेगा और टूरिस्ट को हैरेस करेगा, देन लीगल एक्शन विल बी इनिशिएटेड अगेंस्ट ऑल दोज पीपल। दैट इज माय एश्योरेंस, दैट इज द एश्योरेंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। नाउ सिंस सुबह से ये हुआ इधर में, ये प्रोटेस्ट, ये एजिटेशन, और सब लोग को दिक्कत हो गया। आपका जो असम से जिसको मेघालय जाना है उसको दिक्कत हो गया, मेघालय से जिसको असम जाना है उसको दिक्कत है। इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट पीपल फ्रॉम मेघालय एंड असम, इट्स अबाउट पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया हु आर ट्रैवलिंग अक्रॉस असम एंड मेघालय, दे आर सफरिंग राइट नाउ। सो नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एजिटेशन, देखो सुबह से तो सब लोग सफर कर रहे हैं। नाउ अभी बाय स्टैंडिंग हियर ऑन द रोड देयर विल बी नो सोल्यूशन, कुछ सोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि अभी तो आपसे बात किया, लेकिन आपका जो फॉलोवर्स है, आपका जो एसोसिएशन मेंबर्स है, वो लोग तो चिल्लाएगा ना, वो लोग बात को मानेगा ना। वी नीड टू सिट एंड डिलिबरेट, वी नीड टू टॉक, सो लेट द गवर्नमेंट डू दिस वर्क। आई एम आस्किंग, all I'm asking of you is give the government 2 days time. Like I have spoken earlier, give the government 2 days time. The government has assured that it will come up with a permanent solution to address this issue. Of course, अगर अभी हम बोल भी देगा, कुछ भी बोलेगा, लेकिन अगर गवर्नमेंट ने वो किया नहीं तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता। I cannot give any guarantee, but I'm giving you the assurance that government will address this issue in 2 days time. Not only the government of Meghalaya, both the government of Assam and Meghalaya, and they will sit and deliberate, and they will sit and deliberate. Self government, they will sit and deliberate and invite view association also to give your opinions, your views, and as per your complaints, as per your issues, right? So now we have taken up that the matter. The government has taken up that matter and will address accordingly. Just like I have told you before, give the government 2 days because today it's a local holiday. Today is Unitarian Day in Meghalaya, so local holiday. None of the government offices are functioning today. It's functioning only tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Friday. Then again Saturday is a holiday. Then it will start functioning again next week. So give the government 2 days time. The government, as I've told you before, has already assured that within a matter of 2 days, the government at the highest level will be addressing this matter with the government of Assam. So both the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam will be addressing this issue and will be coming up with a permanent solution so that this matter does not come up again in the future.